So I'm just going to go through now how you tie in some of those stretches in a bit of a sequence, just for a little bit here, and just to show you then how you progress that into a full sequence for your dynamic warm-up. All right, so a lot of them you can start, you obviously always start standing more or less, but you can start looking into things like your inchworm, okay, walking out before you move into that runner's lunge position. So you might start down to your toes, up, walking out. From here, that cobra style stretch. From there, back into that downward dog. From here, foot up to the outside of that front hand, the same side. From there, you can lean forward, twist. From there, you can go back on that same side. And again, forward. So you're getting a bit of hip flexor, hamstring. From here, you can start looking at your rotation. Drop that elbow, rotation. Drop that elbow. And then you can, from here, go back to your downward dog. Other leg up. Again, you're going forward, getting a bit of ankle, rotating, so rocking. There. Chest up a bit, get a bit more hip flexor. Drop the elbow, get some thoracic. Come back, hamstring, and forward, back, forward. All right, so you can see there's a little sequence you can start, which really gets your lower body going. So you can start with that inchworm. You might want to start with, you know, that sort of squat thing. Start with a few into your inchworm, then you're up. That same sort of rotation. So you can see following a simple sequence like that, your lower body's getting hit all over your ankles, your hips, hamstrings, quads, hip flexors. Your joints are getting a workout, and your muscles are also getting a bit of a flow. You can see heart rate not too high, but you can see it is definitely warming me up. All right, and from there, so you might start, as I said, down into this position. Come back into that downward dog. You might move into your Hindu push-up with that cobra. Over. See a bit more. High scorpion. Walk your way back up. Coming back up. Once you're here, and start stopping here. Thumbs in, thumbs up. From there, rotation. And then the options, as you can see, are near endless. Once you get comfortable with those separate sort of dynamic movements, it becomes very easy to chain them together, okay? And then again, very easy to create a sequence, a quick 5-minute, 10-minute warm-up sequence that really caters for everybody and definitely warms up your entire body. That's some dynamic warm-up there for you.